Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Friends, today I am here with a new video. I have a mobile phone. It is an Honor mobile phone. I'll check its about picture by going to your settings. So you guys can see this is an Honor X8a phone. Its model name is CRT-LX2. Android version is 14 and his Imei is blocked by PTA. Android security is September 1st, 2024. So I'll show you his old Imei number. To change the Imei, you have to remove the back cover of the mobile phone for the test point. Turn off your mobile and without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, if you have Pandora box, open it. Search for the model Honor X8a in the search bar. First, let's get its read information. Click on the Read Flash Info and connect via mobile test point. Now go to the Imei tab and type Imei number there. After typing the Imei number, you have to click on the repair option and connect the mobile to test point. Mobile Imei repair is complete. Now disconnect the cable and turn on the mobile. Wait a little while until the mobile is activated, then I will check its Imei number to see if it has changed or not. Your mobile is now on. Now to check your Imei number, you have to dial the code *#06#. So my mobile number has changed. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.